I'm Lo Wheeler, brand ambassador for Kenra Professional. Today we're gonna play with beautiful money pieces and adding pops in the hair. Let's get started. Okay, so we did a little subsection in Heather's hairline, and I'm going to start just over her ear. I have my blue powder lightener. I mix it 2:1, and I'm just going to hold this hair nice and taut as I just paint on really pretty ribbon. And just don't be scared to just get in there and blend. I'm following the natural color that was there before. I'm keeping it nice and easy by having 4 subsections across the hairline. Okay, so when I hold this section up, I could really get a soft angle, and my tension's nice and tight so that I can keep control over my section. Heather's got curly hair, so just make sure when you have a curly hair girl, you have a nice tension and you work really clean. And I'm just tracing over these pops, and we're gonna see them get nice and bright because over time, color tends to fade and darken a little bit and oxidize. It's just the natural progress of things, so we're just gonna pop these pieces out and make them so beautiful. I love this lightener because it naturally cancels out warm tones, so it's my best friend. Now I'm just going to angle her head and then have her brace herself, because a lot of times what happens is our clients lean into us when they need to slightly resist the tension. You don't want to pull so hard on your client's hair that they're squirming. You just want it to be nice and taut. So we just did the simplest money piece, and it looks so beautiful, and it's gonna overlap and lift her existing pieces so beautifully. So how are we gonna deal with all this beautiful hair in the back? Let's make it so simple, and I'm gonna show you how. For this back area, we have a lot of interior and we have some pretty ribbons throughout. What I'd like to do is keep her interior intact and then corner out these sections. And we're going to put a little bit of saran wrap so that it helps accelerate the process. I'm gonna divide this one section into 2 to make it easy. And I switched my brush to Power Painter just because I love working so fluid and quickly. And it's just gonna help me to progress through her hair in a nice, easy manner. We have 30 volume, and we're gonna wrap it up so that we get a nice lift. These are our beautiful results. You can see how gorgeous and bright this money piece is and how beautifully it plays with her texture and base color. And I'm going to show you the back so you can see her beautiful dimensional golden locks. This is so much fun. I'm so happy I had a chance to share this with you today.